This video will cover the topic, finding slope given the graph of a line on a grid. Let's start by looking at the example below. Find the slope of the line graphed below.
What does the slope of a line measure?
The slope of a line measures its steepness. When we have two known points on a line, we can use the slope formula to find the exact slope.
What is the slope formula?
The slope formula is rise over run, with rise being the y-axis difference and run being the x-axis difference. In the current problem, we have 2 points, -1, 1, and 1, 4 selected for the calculations. After substituting these numbers into our slope formula, we get 4 minus 1 on our numerator and 1 minus -1 as our denominator. After subtracting and adding, we get 3 on the numerator and 2 on the denominator, which gives us the final result of 3 over 2 for our slope value. Let's take a look at one more example. In the current problem, we have the 2 points, -3, 2 and 2, -1 selected for calculations. Substituting these numbers into our slope formula, we get -1 minus 2 on the numerator and 2 minus -3 as our denominator. After subtracting, we get -3 on the numerator and 5 on the denominator, giving us the final result of -3/5 as our final slope.
Okay, so just to make sure I got this right, we begin by finding 2 points on a straight line. Then, we substitute those point values into our slope formula equation to result with our final slope value.
That is correct.